Let's enhance it.
Okay. Yes! Oh, of course! Hiya!
That was fun.
Nice. That was beautiful.
Die ist Serie gefahren. Komplett bei Rot hier. Hast du gesehen? Unglaublich.
Shit, scheiße. Anzeiger ist raus.
Hey, why don't you guys speak English?
Nein.
Minutes later.
Yes!
Thank you.
Come on! Go!
Oh, come on! How many times?
Here we go again.
6 hours later.
Hurry up! Finally! Jesus!
I'll take my comedy award now.
Scheiße! Scheiße! Mit der Scheiße hier!
It's a Supra!
Hell yeah!
Thanks.
How many times have you seen one of those bad parking jobs?
Yeah, you know, some of our viewers say not only have they seen a lot of them, it's actually one of their biggest pet peeves.
You know, he's... man, I just... man, what a nut.
Forged out of the past and into the present, into the dream of the future.
Hör mal zu, das ist ein Volvo.
Ein Volvo?
Ja.
Mensch, das ist doch ein Volvo. Der ist aus Panzerstahl.
I'm white. I'm black. I'm yellow.
If that person would just simply get over and drive reasonably and respectfully, there would be no problems. So to actually have to deal with the left lane hog and get around them creates a dangerous situation.
What the hell? What are you doing there? Go back the way you came!
Du fuiste.
Brauche ich dir mein Zeug? Warte. Taschen? Nein. Scheiße, wo habe ich hingetan? Verdammt. Wo ist es? Hier nicht. Da auch nicht. Scheiße, wo habe ich es hingetan? Na, da ist es auch nicht. Oh Gott.
Stupid! It's stupid!
It was a bus.
Police pursuing the stolen bus know the driver poses a serious threat to the public and to the officers as well.
Why, man?
Why?
Why?
Why? I think it's disgusting. I think he's disgusting, and I never want to see him ever again.
It's an icon. This one has a 12-cylinder engine, like a Lamborghini or a Ferrari.
It isn't attractive. It's not truly terrible, but it gets a 3 out of 10. Acceleration is disastrous, and it gets a 1 out of 10.
Fantastic. This is a Trabant. It was a car made during communist rule in East Germany, and it is, quite simply, the greatest car ever made.
Thank you.
Thank you.